We're here!
Yay! Loyston Point Campground!
We officially made it here, and it wasn't as bad of a drive as I was thinking it was gonna be. It was some back roads to get here, so if you have motion sickness, I would definitely recommend motion sickness medicine. But it looks like Daddy's coming back and we're good to go. We're gonna see what he says. That's a friend of mine messaging me. It doesn't live far from here. Are we good?
She was absolutely the nicest woman.
She was smiling the whole time. I was like, oh.
They have snack stuff in there. They do sell worms.
How much was the worms?
They also sell wood. I don't remember. They also sell wood, so I went ahead and bought some wood as well.
Sweet.
And she's going to have it delivered.
Oh,
she is going
sweet.
to deliver it. Something like that.
Nice. Did you know the ice here is only like 6 cents more than Walmart? So if we need more ice, it's not that much more than what Walmart just charged us.
They're open till 7, so.
Awesome. All right, well, we're gonna head to our site then. You got the map to get there?
Yes, I have a map. She said we are here.
Uh-huh.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna turn down here, and we're gonna take the second,
left or right?
Right. Second right.
Uh-huh.
And then go down to the end of that, and then turn and go up, and our spot will have this little loop around thing.
So this is our spot at number 52. We're gonna pitch the tent probably around over here. We have a picnic table. I did not know we were gonna have a picnic table. Like, I really didn't. But look at this beach front that we have. They can't get in the water here, but Matt can fish off of here. But it's still cool to have like this beach front right here. And we're not far from the swimming area. We'll probably drive there though, but we're not far from it. But this is so nice, and it's so quiet. And you can hear the water hitting the beach. I'm gonna like it here.
Isn't it great? From another rock. Look, another seashell. I'll collect all those seashells. While you're taking
Good morning from Loyston Point. We are out here camping for the weekend, and you've already seen the sunset clips from last night and the sunrise clips this morning. We fell asleep under a full moon last night, and we woke up to a beautiful sunrise this morning. We actually got to see 2 blue heron fly by as we were getting out of the tent this morning. There's a kingfisher's nest near our tent. The lake front here is absolutely gorgeous. Sarah. Sarah. Oi, crikey, it's a wild Madeline in the wild filming.
What? There's one of those under our table last night eating all this.
Rebecca found pickers. They look like gold. Go show Dad. This is actually the first time we've used this. It is a Coleman portable sink, and we're going to use it to wash our breakfast dishes from this morning.
I made a volcano with lava!
That's awesome.
It's humongous!
It is humongous.
I'm gonna make it even bigger! Is the volcanoes from lava.
I love you.
Lava you too.
What'd you make?
I made a singing castle! Big singing castle!
That's awesome.
And whenever the tides got bigger and meaner, it wouldn't knock down!
That's a good thing. So in all the packing that I did for this trip and all the planning, I forgot dish soap. And since we wanted to cook our own food this morning, you kinda gotta wash dishes after cooking with eggs and bacon. So they had dish soap. It was the Ajax. It was $2.25 for a smaller bottle, but you know what? It's still better than not having dish soap. But guess what else they had? I did not know they had these. So if you haven't been following us along, we love doing postcards from every trip. So what I did was, I got 2. I'm gonna surprise the kids with letting them send one to whoever they want to. And for those of you who are new, one of you subscribers could get a postcard. Message us on Facebook your mailing address and we will send you a postcard from our latest adventure. First person to message us an address, you'll get a postcard. So girls, I just got back from the camp store and they had something that I bought for you.
Postcards! Postcards!
One for one of our subscribers and one to whoever all 3 of you agree on together. So you can each pick one person and then decide together who to send to. And you don't have to decide like even before we get home from this trip, because we probably won't fill them out till we get home, okay?
Okay.
But I got postcards. Aren't they cute?
Yeah.
They're so pretty. And I think you can actually see our campsite in this picture. Yeah, you can. It's the one where this camper is, right in the middle, down here. You see it? That's our site.
Cool.
Also, she told me this swimming area is open.
Yay!
But we're gonna help Daddy do dishes first, right?
I can do it.
Oh, Daddy's gonna do dishes. Tell Daddy thank you.
Thank you, Dad.
We just came back from the swim area and there was hardly anybody there. There were like 3 or 4 families at max at one time. There were several times it was just our crew at the pool. And it was really fun. It's basically a sectioned off part of the lake. And I mean, you kind of have to know how far you can and can't go, but it was really fun and it was very much a beachfront. You know, it was a subtle slot. It wasn't any like, you know, like this. It was very subtle slope off. So we had a lot of fun. Rebecca, are you gonna share those chips? That's a big bag of chips.
Yeah, I guess we're...
Here we have the native Lucy girls in their natural environment.
Anytime they're with water, they are happy. Face got a little burnt today. Just a little, right? Does it look bad to you? Yeah, just a little bit. Everybody got a little bit of sun today. We finished up, we went back to the pool after lunch and then we went up to the bathhouses up here. They actually have like a handicap / family bathroom. So we were able to use that and get all the girls through the shower and get me through the shower with all in one little room and everybody could dress. So now we're back from showers We're having a little bit of a snack right now and just kind of just like resting for a little bit. Not sure how the rest of the evening is gonna go. That's just what we're doing right now. I showed you a clip before we went swimming. The second time, maybe the first time, of a sandcastle Sarah built this morning before the pool opened. We've had some pretty massive waves. What do you call them? The girls call them waves. What do you call them?
It's boat wake.
Boat wake. And her castle is still standing. Is it warm?
Yes. Not warming up.
Do you like cooking your own hot dogs over the fire?
Absolutely.
That is a pretty marshmallow.
Now it has lava. Dripping down the side. Oh, it's got really high while we were swimming up here. They left behind all these presents.
Cool.
This one's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. I like that it's two-tone. You might want to put it in our Ziploc so we remember them. Yeah. We should do this more often. They're having so much fun. And it's something as simple as just letting them be outside. So this trip actually made a dream come true of mine. When I was a kid, we stayed at a beach house that was either right on the beach or really, really close to the beach, because I remember going off the porch and we went out ghost crab hunting one night. So I'd always wanted to stay on a beach with my family, Matt and the girls. And this site is on a beach. I mean, to me, a beach does not have to have, you know, salt water line where the sky meets the sea. It can be just this. And I think this is amazing. And when you live in Tennessee, especially East Tennessee, you don't really see a lot of this, do you?
No.
Have you ever stayed at any other site where they had beachfront like this?
Not like this, no.
The sunset view is amazing here. The sun actually sets on the other side of the ridge, like over that way. But you can see the sky turning pink right here.
This is pretty.
Rebecca's second star to the right, because that was the first star that came out, and then that was the second one we saw. You like your glow sticks? That's cute. It's okay. It's still cute.
It's a beaver.
It's a beaver? The girls were trying so hard to stay awake until the moon came out. And for some reason it came out later tonight. Like last night it was like, what honey, around 9 o'clock? It's after 10 now. And now, after they got dressed for bed, you can start to see that it's coming up now. Good morning from site. We are cleaning up and getting ready to go.
One that she said was her favorite because it's redheaded.
Sarah, don't scare it off. Where is it? Oh, there it is. It's in the grass.
It's a little redheaded bird just like Rebecca.
You want to take one last look? Say bye, beach. Last view of Site 52. And the water, some people are saying the water level's down, so I don't know if that beachfront's always there, but we were thankful that it was. Table where we had the tent. Over here, our pole. And our site tag to say that we're leaving. We all good?